AI pharmacy automation. What if the prescription you're about to pick up contains a mistake and AI catches it before you ever take the first pill? Think about what has to happen every time a prescription is filled. The right medication, the right dose, the right patient, the right instructions. And it all has to be checked against everything else that person may already be taking. Because one mistake or one dangerous drug interaction can become a serious problem. And that's where AI and pharmacy automation are starting to change the process. Today, pharmacies and hospitals increasingly use automated systems to help process, prepare, track, and verify medications. Some robotic dispensing systems can identify medications, count or package doses, label them, and help manage inventory. But AI can add another layer. Instead of looking at only the prescription sitting in front of the pharmacist, AI-assisted systems can analyze larger amounts of patient and medication data and help identify something that deserves a closer look. Maybe the prescribed dose seems unusual. Maybe two medications could interact. Maybe the patient's existing medications create a potential conflict. Or maybe something about the prescription simply doesn't match the expected pattern. When the system finds something concerning, it can flag it. But here's what's important. AI doesn't make the final call. The pharmacist does. The technology becomes another set of eyes, helping the pharmacist decide what needs a closer look before that medication leaves the pharmacy. And automation can help with something else too. Time. If machines can handle repetitive tasks like counting, packaging, sorting, and tracking medications, pharmacists can spend more time doing the work that requires human judgment, reviewing prescriptions, talking with patients, checking potential problems, and making sure the medication going home is actually the medication that was intended. Now, none of this means mistakes suddenly disappear. AI can be wrong. Automated systems still need oversight, and pharmacists remain an essential part of medication safety. But that's what makes this technology interesting. AI isn't replacing the pharmacist behind the counter. It's helping give that pharmacist another chance to catch something before you walk out the door. Because when you're dealing with medication, sometimes the most important mistake is the one that never reaches the patient.